you go, really? Oh my God. Sorry, Pascal, I got you, okay? Yeah.
Alright. On a commencé tranquillement. Vous avez déjà vu le nous, il n'y a pas de surprise.
Come on, get it. Active.
Ouais, active. On y va. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Ça donne donc 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8. Encore 5, 6, 7. Ça fait donc 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8. Par contre, de votre côté, on your side, you have to watch her. Because the leg, no, here. Yeah. Because the leg, my leg goes backward, but your leg goes forward. Et que moi, ça en arrière, moi, ça en avant. Il faut regarder ici. Il ne faut pas me regarder moi. Il ne faut pas vous. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6 encore une fois et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2 et 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8. Right away? We don't do just that. You want to do the other way right away?
No, do one and then do the other one. I want to see how they do it.
Ok.
Go ahead.
On va essayer. Oh, pour les positions. Pour position, comment on fait Tarraxinha? On va prendre la petite position carrée. Fait que les partenaires, vous mettez les mains comme ça. Et the guys, we're going to do it like this.
Slow drag. Hold it tight.
Ok. Qu'est-ce que ça va faire ensemble? 5, 6, 7, ça va donner. Donc 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? On se met ensemble. Let's try. Yes, on y va. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2 et 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, thank you. Switch, j'avais de la musique. Non, ça c'est les groupes. C'est les leads. Vous allez dire les autres, mais je l'adore aussi. C'est les leads qui se déplacent. Very important to bend the knees to go low when you do the move. C'est important de souligner aussi. Donc,
Faz as caretas quando eu sei que tu queres sorrir.
see you next year.
Ok, fait que je vais remettre la musique, on va voir le
You guys need to wake up, okay? Start drinking, okay? I want to make you wake up, alright? So, let's go. Yeah, I get that. So, let me change the choice of music right now. When you want to wake them up, okay, take notes. Take notes.
Make shout Say the make shout out some of fish, but your place is let's go.
Arrête pas, là! Arrête pas! Arrête pas, là! Arrête pas! Arrête pas! Alright, so that's one now. Now, from the side, have your seat, have your seat. Oh, no. Wait a minute, this drink needs some reinforcement. Yeah. This drink is too empty right here, man. Yeah. So drink and mix, I'm gonna make your juice soon, okay? Yeah. You don't drink, I gotta make your juice soon. Yeah. You like me? Alright, yeah. So you like me? Drink, hey, missing person file. Go drink right there. Yeah, okay, let's go. Next one. What's up? What? Come, bring your ass right here. Jesus Christ, yeah. He's already stable, eating, and appetizers right there. Like, what's up? Okay, now we're gonna do the same one, the same rhythm, but moving, not staying at one space. So you already have the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Same concept. But 1, 2, 3, we're gonna go lateral. So let's go. It's called elevation, okay? So you gotta give the lady the impression like she's flying, all right? So the hips are right here. So you go 1 and 2, then you step 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, then you step 1, 2, 3. You understand, right? So this one right here, you go 1 and 2 this way. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 this way. 1, 2, 3. Exactly. That way you're gonna make one rotation. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, on y va. 1, 2, 3. Encore. 1, 2, continuez. 1, 2, 3, ok? 1, 2, c'est sur place. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. The other one, get up. 1, 2, 3. On the ground. 1 and 2, on the ground. 1, 2, fucking up your lady. 1 and 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3. On the ground. 1 and 2, continue. 1, 2, 3. All right, for the ladies. Let's go.
5, 6, 7, on y va. Donc 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7,
Sur
8
place.
et 1, 2, 3,
Bougez.
2 et 5, 6, 7, encore
Place.
et 1, 2, 3,
Bougez.
4 et 5, 6, 7,
Sur
8
place.
et 1, 2, 3,
Bougez.
4 et 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so now, don't step back. So you see 1 and 2 forward. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 back. 1, 2, 3. All right, leaders. 1 is forward, 1 is back. John is the only one doing. Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3. That's forward. 1 and 2, back. 1, 2, 3. Again, and 1 and 2. That's forward. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2. That's back. 1, 2, 3. All right. So in Kizomba, Tarraxinha is a much safer way to know where your to get your partner back on the right feet. All right. So when you guys lose the feet, stay slow. Listen to the music, and then you do a step. So that then when you do that, you can think about the move that you're gonna do next, especially for the leaders. Don't rush. So, see, if the person next to you is doing a lot of steps, fuck it. Don't worry about it, right? So you stay on your Tarraxinha, and when the right time comes, you start with your lead leg, okay? So now, ladies, again, tell them to step back and then forward.
5. Il y a des moments où il faut avancer, d'autres où il faut reculer. On va suivre le partenaire généralement. Donc 5, 6, 7, on y va. Donc 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3. On avance et 5, 6, 7 encore et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7. On y va. Et 1, 2, 3. On avance. Et 5, 6, 7, 8.
Exactamente. Explain them there's a circle. Ladies, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Et qu'est-ce qu'il disait? C'est important, c'est un mouvement circulaire.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, encore et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8 et 1, 2, 3, 4 et 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, so how you gonna do that? From here you have 1 and 2 back, ta, 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 1 and 2 right here, ta, 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 and 1 and 2, let's go, ta, 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 and 1 and 2, let's go, ta, ta, ta. Never lose your motion. It's very important. The up and down is a motion, and the stepping like this is a motion too. You have two motions to deal with. That's what we call elevation. Shoulder, shoulder, go, ta, ta, and then shoulder, shoulder, back, ta, ta. That way it's like you're rocking a baby. The lady like that, she's gonna understand if you rock it. But if you stay like this and just expect your hips to move, they're gonna be confused, okay? Attack. Come on, let's go. Only practicing the movement, all right? Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry.
No. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. Close it. 1 and 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Right. So you got it, girl. Let's go. Walk on, George. You got it right there, man. You got it right there. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. Switch. All right. Don't listen to your body. Don't listen to your body. All right.
Don't listen. Instead of listening.
Yeah, it's vulgar,
All my life
okay?
they told me
To be
to
pointing girls like this,
listen.
it's vulgar to pointing girls like this, but I got it. Okay, so don't listen to your body. I got it. 5, think about your grandma. God damn it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2. Oliver, 1, 2, 3. Martha, 1 and 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oliver, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right. Good job. Good. All right. All right. All right. Now let's try with a sweet song. Okay. Not too aggressive, but sweet, okay? Yeah. The other one was aggressive, okay? the other one was, when she asked you to go for it. Yeah. This one now is going to be the sweet one, all right? All right, there you go. Almost there. Yeah, sweet one. There you go. That's sweet. This is not music for me. In my hood, that don't come in. Yeah, it's something more. 5. What's up, missing person? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Diz que você tem pia na boca, olha os peitos me La me se bien, te fijas na casa, eu não sou minha vida.
On y va. Everything from the top. Yeah. Yeah. Everything from the top, and then you guys gonna start swinging. The top, first move. 5, 6, 7, go. Tarraxinha, eu tenho. Aplausos for yourself! Alright. So Gita, now, please, get the camera, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. You're gonna film, okay? So now, let's do a triangle like this, okay? Yeah,
Triangle.
yeah, okay, Misha.
Okay.
I mean-
Bye bye.
Right here, yeah. Right there, boom.